In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SORA 2 AI. Video Generator. Grandpa in the football game. Easy tutorial. First, open your web browser and head to Google. This keeps everything simple and consistent, no matter what device you're on. In the search bar, type the word SORA. You're looking for the official SORA page that lets you explore and generate videos. If you see several results, choose the one that clearly mentions SORA's Explore area. Opening the correct page ensures you land right where you can start creating without extra clicks. Once you're on the SORA site, you'll see a text box where you can write a prompt. A prompt is just a clear description of what you want the AI to create. Think of it like giving directions to a very literal, very powerful video assistant. The more specific you are about the scene, the action, the mood, and any key reactions, the better your results usually get. For this tutorial, paste or type this exact prompt: a fun stadium moment where a cheerful grandpa gets harmlessly bonked by a football, sending his popcorn flying as the crowd reacts before he gives a stunned but proud thumbs up. Notice how this prompt sets the setting, defines the main character, describes the action, and ends with a clear reaction. It also signals that the moment is lighthearted and harmless, which helps guide the tone. Before submitting, read your prompt once more. If you want variants later, you can experiment by adding short details such as the time of day, the vibe of the crowd, or the camera feel, like close-up or wide shot. Keep sentences simple and avoid contradictory requests. Clear beats clever when you're guiding an AI. Now, click Submit. SORA will process your request and start generating the video based on your description. Processing time can vary depending on demand, so be patient and let it finish. When it's done, play it back and check how well the result matches your intent. If the popcorn doesn't fly enough or the thumbs up isn't obvious, you can tweak the wording and run it again, emphasizing the parts you want the AI to highlight. Remember to keep scenarios respectful and safe, especially when depicting mishaps. Humor lands best when no one gets hurt. That's all you need to create this playful stadium clip with SORA. By starting from Google, finding the official site, crafting a focused prompt, and submitting, you've covered the essentials. Keep practicing with small adjustments, and you'll quickly learn how phrasing shapes the final video.